some chicken marsala. Got this cast iron getting hot. Had the butcher knock out a nice local Sonoma County chicken into 10 pieces. We'll hit it with some salt and pepper. Get just a little bit of oil down in this. Okay, so I put the chicken down, skin side first, and we split those breasts in half. This will roast down so nice, it'll almost just be fall off the bone tender. Now, some nice white button mushrooms and a little bit of garlic. This is all gonna be going for this sauce. When I'm gonna let it go low and slow like this, I like slivers of the garlic. Let me get this chicken out of here. Build a nice little crust on top. Don't want to cook it all the way through, but what I did is started with the skin and fat side first to render it down, get that fat from underneath the skin. And then let me get the onions down. So look at all the flavor in the bottom of the pan. That's all that chicken fat, all the schmaltz down in there, as my buddy Mark Disson would say. All right. Onions in, mushrooms in. Those a little mix. And then to expedite that process, a little bit of salt. Putting that chicken back in here in a little bit with some thyme and the garlic and then deglazing it. Outstanding. Now we're gonna add a little tomato paste. Hefty tablespoon. I'll stir that around in there and let that cook out. Onions have caramelized, mushrooms haven't broken down. Let's go back in with the chicken, fat side up. Here's the kicker. Grab that marsala. We're gonna come in and deglaze with about a cup of that marsala. You should smell it. The sweetness, the richness of that, but it's not gonna be just marsala. We're gonna hit it with a little chicken stock as well, up about 3/4 of the way. Coming over to the wood-fired oven. Grab these root veggies out. Slide that in. Oh, check that out. Look at that chicken right there. I'm gonna fire up this burner and remove the chicken. Why? So I can let it reduce. I want this sauce to reduce even more. You see I've got that nice crunchy skin right up there on top because I didn't fill it up with too much liquid, but I really want this to reduce down and almost make like a gravy. I'm just gonna mount it with a little bit of butter, stir that in. Now we'll just hit it with a touch of some acid and a touch of parsley. Oh, and this is how we're gonna do it. Right on top. Look at that. And then just a little touch of the Italian parsley. A little breast of that. There we go, all the goodness. Oh,